Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear friends, in last part we read about the nature of the revolt of 1857 and its main event. Today our next topic is the causes of the failure of the revolt of 1857. What were the main causes according to which the revolt of 1857 had failed? First is beginning of the revolt of 1857 started before its time. Second is no common aim. Third, revolt was unorganized. Untrained soldier, the rising did not spread in the whole country. Control of the British over means of transport, harsh method, economic difficulties. So friends, these were the main causes behind which the revolt of 1857 had failed. Let's discuss one by one. Beginning of the revolt of 1857 before its time. Mangal Pandey killed 2 British officials at Barrackpore. So revolt start from the fixed date, before its fixed date. Next is no common aim. Leader who participated in the revolt did not have common aim or common goal. Some were fighting for the name of the religion, and some wanted safety for their state, and some wanted to free the nation. Some wanted to free the nation. Next is revolt was unorganized. Those leaders who take participation in the revolt of 1857 had not able leader who could unite them, and they were unorganized and indisciplined. Untrained soldiers. Indian soldiers were untrained comparison to the British. Indian soldiers have lack of modern weapon as compared to the British. Indian soldier has less experience comparison to the British. So first war of independence had failed due to the many reasons. Next is the uprising did not spread in the whole country. The war of independence only and mainly spread in northern India. Southern India did not spread. Had the whole of India stood against the British, would not fail in the first war of independence. Then next is control of British on means of transport and communication. Telegraph, railway, telephone, means of transport, all were under the control of Britishers. They sent soldiers from one place to another in fast way. Indian had lack of these things, so revolt of 1857 failed due to the lack of means of transport and communication. Harsh method of the British to suppress the rebel. British did not treat equally as Indian. They deal with cruelty. They looted to the Indian. They hanged to the people of Indian, and Indian people had fear, so they did not take participation in the first war of independence. Last causes is economic difficulties. Indian were poor as comparison to the Britishers, and Indian had not modern weapon comparison to the Britishers. So due to this reason, war of independence had failed. So friends, we read the failure of the revolt of 1857. Beginning of the revolt before its time, no common aim, revolt was unorganized, untrained soldier, the uprising did not spread the whole countries, means of transport control over the British, and harsh method and economic difficulties. Friends, I hope you have to understand this lesson properly. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.